Hello everybody, this is Eric, the goldsmith of Chastity-shop. Very proud to show you these two just finished eternity rings, fully set with diamonds. And I thought maybe this is a good moment to show you the difference between 14 karat yellow gold and 14 karat white gold. What's the difference and why is there a difference? And is it both gold or not? 24 karat gold means that 24 out of 24 pieces is pure gold. 14 karat gold means 14 out of 24 pieces is pure gold and the rest is alloy. This is yellow gold, this is white gold, this is rosé gold. To get yellow gold in this beautiful yellow color means that the alloy is 14 pieces of pure gold and the rest is both silver and copper to make the yellow gold color. So 24 karat gold is pure gold, 14 karat gold means 14 out of 24 pieces is pure gold. For example, white gold, this one and also this beautiful white gold eternity ring means 14 pieces is pure gold, same as the yellow gold version, and the rest is a silver alloy and palladium alloy. That makes the beautiful dark gray color of white gold. That's this one. And to make 14 karat rosé gold means 14 pieces is pure gold and the rest is copper to make the deep red color. We also often get the question if it's possible to rhodium plate white gold, the white gold keys or white gold pendants, whatever. We don't do gold plating or rhodium plating, gold plating for the silver jewelry and rhodium plating for the white gold jewelry, with one very good reason. Plating is just a few micron thick. So when you rhodium plate white gold, it's a very light gray color of rhodium with a dark gray color of 14 karat or 18 karat white gold. After wearing a while, you get pieces of dark gray and light gray in your jewel, that makes your jewel look ugly. Why do jewelers rhodium plate jewelry? It's pure for as a selling point. It's wider. It's not the beautiful, in my opinion, white color of 14 karat white gold, but it's wider. It's a bit more metal white, silver white color. But you during wearing your jewelry, it will wear out and look ugly. Same with silver jewelry that you rhodium plate or gold plate. Gold plating just a few micron thick, and especially with silver keys, with gold plating, you will use the key and after a while the key part will have the silver color and the rest of the jewel is gold colored. So it's very ugly. So we don't do rhodium plating, we don't do gold plating, but what we do is pure gold jewelry, pure yellow gold, pure rosé gold, pure white gold. When you order at our shop, you get what you see, and not after a while a different jewel. So 14 karat yellow gold in this beautiful full-size eternity ring. Here we are. And 14 karat white gold, beautiful dark gray color of white gold for this eternity ring. This one is for one customer, as he will wear both keys on one finger. I hope you like this kind of tutorials. Just let me know if you want to learn more about jewelry, alloys, or for example, in the next tutorial, the difference between the diamond cuts you can get, like princess cut or round brilliant cut for these beautiful pieces. Thank you for watching.